Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now by matching sequence settings to your camera so there's no hidden scaling. That preserves color fidelity. Next, import your log footage and drag an adjustment layer above the clips to centralize color work. Once done, add a technical conversion, either a camera-provided Rec709 LUT or a basic input transform in Lumetri's basic correction. You do this first to normalize exposure and contrast. It makes the subsequent creative grading predictable and repeatable across clips. Now convert and balance. In Lumetri's basic correction, choose your input LUT or simulate it with exposure, contrast, and highlights adjustments. Then tackle white balance. Sample a neutral gray or use temp/tint sliders so midtones read neutral on scopes. After that, open RGB Parade and Vector Scope to check channel clipping and skin tone placement. Make small lift/gamma/gain tweaks to avoid crushed blacks or blown highlights. These measured moves anchor color accuracy before creative steps. Finish by applying creative curves or a look LUT, but keep a copy of the technical conversion so you can revert if needed. Use the adjustment layer or master clip effect to propagate the grade across similar shots, then fine-tune per clip with secondary corrections and masks. If you see clipping on scopes or crushed details in shadows, reduce contrast and lift shadows slightly, or use highlights recovery. One troubleshooting tip: toggle the input LUT off and on to isolate whether the problem comes from the conversion or.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.